This is a garniture for the field, an armour that includes interchangeable parts for several different forms of combat. Bigger garnitures had extra pieces for jousting and friendly fighting in tournaments. But this armour was only for use in war. King Henry VIII founded a royal armourer's workshop at his palace at Greenwich. Here, some of Europe's best armourers made armour for the king's own use. During his daughter Elizabeth I's reign, the Greenwich workshop produced armour for the Queen's close friends and supporters. One courtier was Sir Thomas Sackville, Lord Buckhurst. We know that this armour was made using a Greenwich armour licence granted to Sir Thomas around 1587. It has been suggested that this was the armour that he expected to wear into battle in 1588 against the invading Spanish Armada. Alternatively, he might have commissioned it as a gift for his son, Sir William, who went to fight in France, where he was killed in the early 1590s. We will probably never know for certain which member of the Sackville family wore this armour. But still it remains a powerful image of the Elizabethan nobleman and a testament to the quality and richness of English Renaissance armour.